Get out the way. Get out the way.
Hi, I'm Harry Potter.
And I am Ron.
Let's go bother Snape.
Righto.
I am Snape, the potions master. Ready? Let's go bother him.
That was fun.
I like the part where he stops moving.
Let's do it again.
Oh, no. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, dear. Hello, Severus. I can explain, sir. What's this? It seems young Harry and Ron are taking an afternoon nap. Let's see what they've got in their pockets. Alas, 9 sickles and a dung bomb. This is my lucky day. Now, where did Snape go? More importantly, where the hell am I?